Back out here at the Kawasaki Demo Day, or Good Times Tour as they call it. So a lot of bikes out, a lot of them similar from last year, a couple of new bikes. So I'll see if I'll be able to get on some of the new bikes, but always fun to come out and do some joyriding. This is a new one, the Ninja, what is this? ZX 4RR. This is brand new for 2024. And it's a pretty sweet looking bike. And let's see what else. A lot of Ninja, same as they did last year. Another one that's new this year is the KLR 650S, which is a short. So the seat is a lot lower, if you look, versus the regular KLR. And so I'm 5'8", and the regular KLR I could fit on it, but the KLR-S I can actually flat foot on it. It's that low that I could flat foot myself on it, so that's really nice. And then
so I'm on this Kawasaki ZX 6R. ZX 6R, and it is definitely a sport bike meant for the track. It's a little twitchy. The throttle feels like it's either on or off, so it's kind of really hard to kind of keep a smooth open throttle. It just kind of feels like I'm either accelerating all the way or decelerating all the way, so it's just a little twitchy, but got a lot of power. Nice low riding position, definitely tucked. The feet are back a little bit, but really comfortable bike, just really twitchy, but I had a lot of fun on it. It was one of the funner bikes I've been on, very quick. I think part of the problem is I was following a slower bike, so trying to ride this bike slow is a little painful, especially in this bit of traffic that we've been hitting.
Then there's the Supermoto. So they didn't have this out last year. I think the bike was available, but they didn't bring it out last year. So I'm kind of looking for a Supermoto bike right now. And this one's a little small. It's a 300, but we'll just give it a try. See if I like the way it looks, or like the way it runs.
Guys, hop on your bike, start it up, get comfortable.
Alright, so now getting on the, let's see, it's the Supermoto 300, XLR 300 Supermoto, and very light bike, very flickable, not very tall, so I was able to basically flat foot it. It's very narrow, so I think it's maybe a little bit taller, because it's so narrow, the seats are really narrow, that I'm able to get both feet comfortably on the ground. And at first I was like, 300, man, this is not going to have any power, but it's actually pretty peppy. Just got to kind of keep it up in the high rev range. And I was able to keep up with the rest of the bikes just fine. I think because it's so light that it's not a lot of weight to move, so it can go pretty quick. But really fun. I really liked it. It corners really well. It's got really good brakes. Big brakes. I think it stops better than the KLR. So it's just super fun to just look it around and brake. You can do stoppies probably really easily, although they wouldn't let us do those on the demo ride, but I can see that it's got some big brakes on it, so probably really easy to do some stoppies on these. But for an everyday bike, just to go around, hop around town, carve up some mountains, this is a great little bike, and it's fairly smooth. It sounds on the audio, you can hear it sounds a little buzzy, but sitting on the bike, I couldn't feel any very much vibration. So I think it's fairly smooth. So really interesting bike, fairly inexpensive. So it'd be just a great tool around bike. Okay, this is probably my favorite bike there. It's the Ninja 1000, and really smooth. It's a sport touring bike, so it looks like a sport bike, but actually, if you look at the handlebars, they're actually really far back, so the seating position is fairly upright. I was sitting fairly upright. My legs were a little tight. The pegs were a little kind of sport bike-like, so the legs were a little cramped, but the rest of the body, arms were kind of straight out, but it wasn't leaned over. It's sitting fairly upright, and it's really smooth. It's almost like BMW smooth. So the closest BMW, it's probably not the S1000, but maybe the R1250, maybe close, but very smooth power delivery, very not twitchy like the real sport bikes. The throttle response is nice and smooth, very linear, and just a really enjoyable bike. This is definitely my favorite bike that I rode the entire demo day.
Can you give it a little? Thank you. May I have another?
Okay, so that's about it. I did test ride a few other bikes, but nothing worth covering here. But it was another great demo day. Rode a lot of bikes, a lot of fun. So hopefully they'll bring it back next year. Until then, keep the rusty side up and the leaky side down. Thanks for watching.